Hey guys, welcome to a special episode of Unpack with J Mac, brought to you inside my vehicle. We're going to be doing a couple dash cams that I got from Temu today, to give you a couple cheap options to keep you safe, keep a video going in case something does occur, that you have some video evidence. And I think it's safe, especially my wife driving with kids, have a dash cam in there. I got two to show you today, so just give you a couple options. Also, as you notice, I don't have a hat. Most people know that I do wear a hat constantly. I usually always have a hat on. But I did just get my haircut done by Carly Van Conant. She does an awesome fade for me. I call it my gray remover. I got a lot of grays going on. But check her out. I'll put a link down below where you can book her time. So guys, if you need an awesome fade or any type of haircut, she can do it for you. She'll hook it up straight. Huge attention to detail. Anyways, let's get started with this. So I've got my first camera right here. This is the nice one for moms out there. What this does is this has two cameras. You can see the picture-in-picture right there. And this is the camera that will watch the kids. But then this also gives you the ability to focus in here. Apologies. You can see that it gives you both. You can see my phone and you can see the picture in front. Also, the nice thing is about these is they have pretty good quality. I'll post some videos and pictures of this later, but a lot of them come with this, including the one I'm about to show you. Now, most of the cars these days don't have a cigarette plug outlet. Not a lot of people smoke in the car, but this one is plugged in. If you get a nice cable that works, it'll plug in. Doesn't matter if it's the USB-A or C. They will both work, as they'll run off the same power bank, so you're not going to get any more juice out of this or this. It'll be the same. And the other one I wanted to show you was this one. This one's nifty because it mounts right to your mirror. There's a couple straps in the back. As you can see here, there's a couple straps in the back, mounts to the back of the mirror. Comes with an adjustable lens right here, so you can move it all around depending on your action. Direction that you need to go. And then if you need to see something, it's got a built-in screen. The nice thing is in my truck right now, I just have a plain mirror. So this comes with a blue tint. So it calms the brightness down on my face. And this one is also plugged in straight to the USB. I haven't routed the cable yet, but I was able to get this one on Amazon. And what's nice about this one is they made it with a 90-degree fitting in the direction I needed it, because this one is an old USB mini, and so it needs to be in a certain direction, unlike the USB-C. So make sure you look out for that kind of plug, but then you can just sneak it in there and run it right to the USB and don't need the cigarette outlet. Now, both of these did come with rear view cameras, but I do have one in my car, so I did not need that. But for around 20 bucks, 25 bucks, I think these are great options for you to choose from. If you have any questions or comments, guys, please click the link and subscribe. I'll have some more videos coming out shortly. Make sure you check out Carly, with the awesome haircuts. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions on these cameras. I'll be happy to answer any questions or give you any feedback on anything that you have. All right, guys, I look forward to see you in the new videos coming out. And also, I've got a new Aura, not an Aura ring, but a MazFit ring. It is the Aura ring, their ring. So I'll be checking that out. We did have some problems with the shipping, so make sure you click the link and subscribe, so you can get the alert, because I will be unboxing that, and my wife will be trying out the new ring. As I've heard great reviews that it compares really great to the watch, so I want to check that out. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye. All right, guys, now that I've shown you a quick overview of those two, I hope if you have any questions, just please let me know. If you are looking at any, I can look at them. And if you have any questions on any other ones maybe that you're purchasing, I'd be happy to help you out and help you fill out ones maybe for your needs of lifestyle. Also, my wife we did get the new MazFit Helio ring. It's kind of like the Aura ring. So we'll be checking that out. I'll be doing an unboxing and a review of that shortly. So please check that out when click the link and subscribe, so you'll be able to check that out when I do get that. We did have a little problem with the customer service on that. They somehow, when we were ordering it, got switched to a size 12. My wife needed a different size, but they were pretty quick to respond, sent us a shipping label for free, so we'll be exchanging that here shortly. So make sure you check out those reins, because I know they are pretty popular right now. She'll be checking that out, and she's pretty picky, so it'll be a good video. Also, I'll be doing another video. I've got another video coming out with Claire as well, so please check that one out with the Lego build that we're doing with the pots and plants, so that'll be nifty. So yeah, I hope you guys see you soon on the new videos, and talk to you later. Bye.